Hi guys! Welcome to our vlog. I guess no? Karon is mag-challenge may sa akong igagaw og snap your hand. And we're gonna pick pack boom. So this is the slap like this. That's the exciting. So I guess no kadili madayon ang challenge karon. Kay nag-alcohol siya siya. So ugma na lang. So, mag-challenge na ako ng i-rate ninyo. I-rate na ako kung sa katingin ang nindot kay. So, first guys is perfume. Maliit lang yung sounds na. Parang i-rate ko to is 5/10. That. Next naman guys is ito. I-rate ko to is 6/5. Ay, 6/10 pala. Sorry, nakamali. Next naman guys is yung Careful Book. I-rate ko to as 8/10. And next naman guys is yung gummy worm. Sorry, wala ko to na rate. Ang i-rate ko to is parang 7/10. Yeah. And next naman is ito. Perfect! Rate ko to siya 9/10. And ito naman yung parasol. Pahira lang po siya. 9/10. And next naman guys, maghahanap pa rin ng away. Next naman guys is itong pakamot na juicy. So guys, yan. Ganda. Parang i-rate ko to is 2/10. Next naman guys is itong Axe. Para to, pakamot to sa mga lalaki. Sa papa to, sa kaibigan. So i-rate ko to na 10/10! So guys, ito na magtatapos yung challenge ko. So, later na yung challenge na punish your head. Ito. Okay. Mag-comment lang kayo kung anong gusto pa yung challenge niya. Bye! Subscribe! Yes! Like!